doing another gardening day here in New Zealand. Just like the last one, started with a garden bed. This time it's like a bit above the ground. Yeah, so I took the black undercovering and finished that side. Yeah, so once I've put the black undercover, I put some mulch on top. Alright, so and then brought over the plants that were in front of the tree that were no longer cut down, so that side pretty much done. I might put a few strawberries in. Birchmark, that guy will go over there, and then little strawberries. So in the front yard there's some strawberries propagating, so I took some of the little baby sister ones out, put them in some water for a bit, and yeah.
I think that Jill and any gardener with failing or foresight could learn lots of lessons from the... She planted in great big blocks of colour, and the kind of colours that she really went for.
And planted them first on the other side, and then I'm about to put them in the left side, the bigger side. Then I still have to finish putting the black covering and the mulch on, but yeah, that's what I'm about to do, and then I will film the end product, and hopefully it's here. Whoa. Yeah, so it got a bit hot in the middle of the day. I decided to make tiny visual muffins.
Colours that she really went for were brilliant colours, things like yellows, blues.
And this is the only progress that I made. Sorry, it's a bit windy. So most of the black stuff is laid out, and then there's some bark, but I haven't really planted those or the strawberries, which are not there, they're still inside.
She planted in great big blocks of colour.
Okay, so didn't quite finish it. Still have the strawberries to plant along there, but I have the holes dug for them. Just gonna leave it for now. Yep. Nasturtiums there. But probably do that tomorrow, maybe later tonight, but probably tomorrow. Anyways, so that's it for today. Tune back for the end result. I'm probably not going to finish it today. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.